Paying your taxes online to the IRS has become increasingly popular due to its convenience and speed. However, many people are concerned about the safety of their personal and financial information during the process. In this video, we'll guide you through the safest ways to pay your taxes online, step by step. We'll cover official IRS payment methods, how to verify you're on the correct website, and tips to protect your sensitive data. By the end, you'll feel confident handling your tax payments securely from the comfort of your home. Online tax payment offers several advantages over traditional methods. It's fast, you receive immediate confirmation, and you can schedule payments in advance. Plus, you avoid the hassle of mailing checks or visiting a bank. The IRS has developed secure systems to ensure your transactions are protected. Still, it's important to understand the process and use only official channels. Let's explore why online payment is not only convenient, but also safe when done correctly. The IRS provides several official online payment options. These include Direct Pay, Electronic Federal Tax Payment System, EFTPS, and payments by debit or credit card through authorized processors. Each method is designed with security in mind and offers different features. Direct Pay is best for individuals, while EFTPS is often used by businesses. Using only these official methods is the first step to ensuring your payment is safe. To start, always access the IRS website by typing www.irs.gov directly into your browser. Avoid clicking on links in emails or search engine ads, as these can sometimes lead to phishing sites. Check for the padlock symbol in your browser's address bar, which indicates a secure connection. Taking these precautions helps ensure you're on the legitimate IRS site and not a fraudulent copy. Phishing is a common tactic used by cybercriminals to steal your information. Be wary of emails or messages claiming to be from the IRS, especially if they ask for personal details or payment information. The IRS will never initiate contact by email, text, or social media to request sensitive data. If you receive a suspicious message, do not click any links or download attachments. Instead, report it to the IRS and delete the message. IRS Direct Pay is a free and secure way to pay your individual tax bill directly from your bank account. To use this service, visit the IRS website and select Pay, then Bank Account Direct Pay. You'll be guided through a series of steps to verify your identity and enter your payment details. Once completed, you'll receive a confirmation number for your records. Always keep this confirmation as proof of payment. The Electronic Federal Tax Payment System, or EFTPS, is another secure method, especially for businesses or those making large payments. You must enroll in EFTPS, which involves receiving a PIN by mail. Once set up, you can schedule payments in advance and track your payment history. EFTPS is managed by the U.S. Department of Treasury, ensuring high security standards for all transactions. If you prefer, you can pay your taxes online using a debit or credit card. The IRS partners with authorized payment processors to handle these transactions. Be aware that these processors may charge a small convenience fee. Always use the links provided on the official IRS website to access these processors, and never enter your card information on third-party sites not listed by the IRS. If you can't pay your full tax bill at once, the IRS offers online payment plans. You can apply for a short-term or long-term installment agreement directly on the IRS website. The application process is secure, and you'll receive confirmation once your plan is approved. This option helps you avoid penalties and interest from late payments while keeping your information protected. After making your payment, always verify that you've received a confirmation number or email from the IRS or the authorized processor. This confirmation serves as your proof of payment. Keep a copy for your records, either by printing it or saving it digitally in a secure location. If you don't receive confirmation, contact the IRS immediately to ensure your payment was processed correctly. When paying taxes online, it's crucial to protect your personal and financial information. Use strong, unique passwords for your IRS or EFTPS accounts, and never share your login details with anyone. Avoid using public Wi-Fi networks when making payments, as these can be less secure. Always log out of your account when finished, and monitor your bank statements for any unauthorized activity. A secure website is essential for safe online payments. Look for HTTPS at the beginning of the web address and a padlock icon in the address bar. These indicate that your connection is encrypted, protecting your data from interception. Never enter sensitive information on sites that lack these security features. If in doubt, close your browser and start again from the official IRS website. Tax scams are unfortunately common, especially during tax season. Scammers may pose as IRS agents and demand payment through unofficial channels like gift cards or wire transfers. Remember, the IRS will never ask for payment in these forms. If you receive such a request, it's a scam. Always use the official IRS website or authorized processors for your payments. Knowing your tax payment deadlines is essential to avoid penalties and interest. The IRS website provides a calendar of important dates for individuals and businesses. Mark these on your own calendar and set reminders to ensure you pay on time. Paying online allows for last-minute payments, but don't wait until the final hour in case of technical issues. Mistakes can happen when entering payment information online. If you realize you've entered the wrong amount or account details, contact the IRS or the payment processor immediately. They can help you correct the error or stop the transaction if it hasn't been processed yet. Acting quickly is key to resolving issues and avoiding complications. Always keep detailed records of your tax payments, including confirmation numbers, payment dates, and amounts. Store digital copies in a secure folder on your computer or cloud storage, and consider printing hard copies for backup. Good record keeping helps you resolve any disputes with the IRS and makes future tax filing easier. Make sure your contact information with the IRS is up to date. This includes your mailing address, email, and phone number. Accurate information ensures you receive important notifications about your payments or account. You can update your details online through the IRS website or by contacting their support line. For added security, enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, on your IRS or EFTPS accounts if available. 2FA requires you to enter a code sent to your phone or email in addition to your password. This extra layer of protection makes it much harder for unauthorized users to access your account, even if they have your password. The IRS communicates primarily by mail. They will never call, email, or text you to demand immediate payment or sensitive information. If you receive such a message, it's almost certainly a scam. Always verify any communication by contacting the IRS directly through their official channels. You can create an online account with the IRS to view your payment history, outstanding balances, and other important tax information. Access your account only through the official IRS website and use strong security practices. Regularly checking your account helps you stay on top of your tax obligations and spot any unauthorized activity. Always use a secure, up-to-date device when paying taxes online. Make sure your computer or smartphone has the latest security updates and antivirus software installed. Avoid using shared or public devices as they may not be secure. Keeping your device protected is a key step in safeguarding your financial information. Online payments to the IRS are usually processed quickly, but it can take a day or two for the transaction to appear in your bank account or IRS records. Plan your payment ahead of the deadline to account for any delays. If your payment hasn't posted after several days, contact the IRS or your bank for assistance. Public Wi-Fi networks are often unsecured, making it easier for hackers to intercept your data. When paying taxes online, always use a private, secure internet connection. If you must use public Wi-Fi, consider using a virtual private network, VPN, to encrypt your connection and protect your information. The IRS uses specific portals for online payments, such as Direct Pay and EFTPS. These portals have distinct web addresses and security features. Always double-check the URL before entering any information. If you're unsure, navigate to the payment portal from the main IRS website to ensure you're using the correct and secure site. Most IRS online payment methods are free, such as Direct Pay and EFTPS. However, if you use a debit or credit card, the authorized processors may charge a small fee. The fee amount is clearly displayed before you complete your transaction. Always review the fee details and choose the payment method that works best for you. If your payment is reversed due to insufficient funds or incorrect information, the IRS will notify you by mail. You may be subject to penalties or interest, so it's important to resolve the issue quickly. Contact your bank and the IRS to arrange a new payment and avoid further complications. If you have trouble making a payment online, the IRS offers assistance through their website and phone support. You can find FAQs, troubleshooting guides, and contact information on the IRS site. Don't hesitate to reach out if you encounter technical issues or have questions about your payment options. If there's an issue with your payment, the IRS will send you a notice by mail. Read the notice carefully and follow the instructions provided. If you disagree with the notice or need clarification, contact the IRS directly using the phone number or website listed on the notice. Prompt action can help resolve issues quickly. If you suspect your personal or financial information has been compromised, report it to the IRS immediately. The IRS has dedicated resources for handling identity, theft, and fraud. You can also contact your bank and credit bureaus to protect your accounts. Acting quickly can minimize damage and help you recover faster. The IRS uses advanced security measures to protect your online payments. These include encryption, secure login procedures, and regular system monitoring. When you use official IRS payment methods, your data is transmitted securely and stored according to strict federal standards. Understanding these features can give you peace of mind when paying taxes online. After making an online payment, you may receive a confirmation email from the IRS or the authorized payment processor. These emails will never ask for personal information or direct you to log in through a link. Always verify the sender's address and avoid clicking on suspicious links. If in doubt, access your IRS account directly through the official website. Non-residents can also pay their U.S. taxes online using the same secure IRS payment methods. Direct Pay and authorized card processors are available, though some international cards may not be accepted. Always check the IRS website for the latest information and ensure you use secure connections when making payments from abroad. If you accidentally overpay your taxes online, the IRS will process a refund after reviewing your account. Refunds are typically issued by direct deposit or check. You can check the status of your refund through the IRS website. Always keep records of your payments and refunds for your financial records. If you're self-employed or have other income not subject to withholding, you may need to make estimated tax payments. The IRS allows you to pay these online using Direct Pay, EFTPS, or authorized card processors. Schedule your payments in advance to avoid penalties and keep your tax obligations on track. Businesses can pay their taxes online using EFTPS, which offers additional features like bulk payments and detailed reporting. Enroll your business in EFTPS to take advantage of these tools. Always use secure business devices and keep your EFTPS credentials confidential to protect your company's financial information. You can make payments for multiple tax years online by specifying the tax year when submitting your payment. The IRS payment portals allow you to select the year and type of tax, double-check your entries to ensure your payment is applied correctly. Keeping this organized helps avoid confusion and future issues. The IRS offers mobile-friendly payment options, allowing you to pay your taxes from your smartphone or tablet. Use only official IRS apps or mobile websites and ensure your device is secure. Mobile payments are convenient, but always follow the same security precautions as you would on a computer. If you file an amended tax return and owe additional taxes, you can pay the balance online using the same secure IRS payment methods. Be sure to indicate that your payment is for an amended return. This ensures your payment is applied to the correct tax year and form. If you have an installment agreement with the IRS, you can make your scheduled payments online. The IRS website allows you to set up automatic payments or make one-time payments as needed. Keeping up with your installment plan helps you avoid default and additional penalties. If you owe penalties or interest, you can pay these amounts online using the same secure IRS payment methods. Be sure to specify the type of payment when submitting your transaction. Keeping your account current helps you avoid further charges and maintain good standing with the IRS. Trusts and estates can also pay taxes online using EFTPS or authorized card processors. The process is similar to individual or business payments, but you'll need the appropriate tax identification numbers. Always use secure devices and keep detailed records for your trust or estate. Gift and estate taxes can be paid online through the IRS's secure payment portals. Be sure to select the correct tax form and year when making your payment. If you have questions, consult the IRS website or a tax professional for guidance. Employers can pay payroll taxes online using EFTPS. This system allows you to schedule recurring payments and manage multiple employees' tax obligations efficiently. Always verify your entries and keep records of each transaction for your business files. Excise taxes can also be paid online through the IRS's secure payment systems. Make sure to select the correct tax type and period when submitting your payment. If you're unsure, refer to the IRS website for detailed instructions or seek help from a tax professional. Paying your taxes online to the IRS is safe and convenient when you use official methods and follow best security practices. Always access the IRS website directly, use strong passwords, and keep your records organized. If you ever have doubts or encounter issues, reach out to the IRS for assistance. By staying informed and vigilant, you can handle your tax payments with confidence and peace of mind.